Welcome to our channel InsideScoop. It is a kind of news channel to be stay informed and to be connected with our latest news updates. Join us as we uncover stories that matter every day. Today's topic is what is AI and its benefits and why is it so important nowadays. So let's begin. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focus on creating intelligent machine and software capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, learning, and decision making. AI encompasses a range of technologies including machine learning and deep learning and is used in various applications from voice assistant to self-driving cars. AI has the potential to automate tasks, improve efficiency and enhance decision making across multiple industries. But it also raises ethical and societal concern as its capabilities continues to evolve. Here are some of the key benefits of AI. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic activities. This can improve productivity and reduce operational cost. Efficiency. AI system can process and analyze large volume of data much faster and more accurately than humans, leading to increased efficiency in decision making and problem solving. Personalization. AI can analyze user data and preference to provide personalized recommendations and experience in fields like e-commerce, content delivery and marketing. Predictive analytics. AI can analyze historical data to make predictions about future trends, helping businesses make informed decisions and optimize their operations. Improved healthcare. AI can assist healthcare professionals to diagnose diseases, interpreting medical images, and developing personalized treatment plan. It can also help in drug delivery and genomic research. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistant by AI can provide 24/7 customer support, improving customer service and reducing response time. Natural language processing. AI can understand and generate human language, making it possible for machine to interact with humans in a more natural way, such as voice assistant and language translation services. Autonomous vehicle. AI plays a crucial role in self-driving cars, making transportation safer and more efficient. Fraud detection. AI can identify unusual patterns in financial transactions and detect fraudulent activities. Environmental monitoring. AI can analyze data from various sensors to monitor environmental changes and predict natural disaster, helping in disaster preparedness and response. Energy efficiency. AI can optimize energy consumptions, building and industrial processes and reducing energy cost and environmental impact. Space exploration. AI is used in autonomous space probes, enabling them to make decisions in real time and processing and analyzing vast amount of data from telescope and satellite. Content creation. AI can generate content such as article, art, music, assisting creative professionals and automating content generation. In the end, security. AI is used for threat detection and prevention, the cybersecurity, helping protect system and data from cyber attacks.